Tips to manage your family finances. Hey everyone! Managing family finances can feel tricky, especially when daily expenses keep piling up. But don't worry, with the right planning, life can be more comfortable and stress-free. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss more family finance tips. 1. Understand your family cash flow. Step 1. Track all income and expenses, salary, side hustles, bills, everything. Knowing your cash flow helps spot where money leaks and avoid unnecessary spending. 2. Separate needs and wants, super important. Needs are essentials like food, electricity, and kids' education. Wants are optional like new gadgets or luxury vacations. Focus on needs first, then allocate leftover for wants. Here, create a realistic monthly budget list expense categories: food, transport, entertainment, savings, and more. Set a spending limit for each category. Use apps or spreadsheets to track easily. Keep it realistic and flexible so you can actually follow it. 4. Use separate accounts for different purposes. This trick works wonders. One account for essentials, one for savings, investments, and one for flexible spending. Money won't mix up and every need is controlled. 5. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your safety net. Ideally 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Use it for unexpected events like sudden illness, job loss, or urgent home repairs. Keep it in a separate account or a safe, easily accessible investment. 6. Monitor expenses regularly. Check your spending weekly or monthly. Are you sticking to your budget? Any overspending? Regular monitoring helps you adjust habits and keeps finances healthy. 7. Teach financial literacy to all family members. Family finance isn't just one person's job. Teach kids to save, distinguish needs versus wants, and make smart buying decisions. The more everyone understands money, the easier it is to achieve goals together. Conclusion. Managing family finances isn't about limiting yourself. It's about planning, tracking, and prioritizing. Understand cash flow, separate needs and wants, create a realistic budget, use multiple accounts, build an emergency fund, monitor spending, and educate your family. Discipline plus consistency, healthy family finances, stress-free life, and a secure financial future.